Hey folks, so let's do a quick overview of the generic settings that we have within our Trento theme. First of all, we have four tabs on the left-hand column. We have social media, custom code, and generic typography, and then followed by a miscellaneous tab. Now, the social media, it's kind of obvious. We have all of the social media settings. So the first section over here, this is all of your social sharing options. These are not all of the social media links that you can add. These are just options where and how you can share. So share via Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. You then get to choose your social media icon styles, whether it's icons or abbreviations. You then get to choose the font, and here down below you get to add all of your social media links that you want to feature within your site. So simply click on add social link, select the social link that you want to add, and then add the URL into the following field. Okay, once done, scroll up, click on update, and your social link will be added. Okay, next off, heading over to custom code. This is for more advanced stuff, for custom CSS and JavaScript code. So the majority of you will probably not be using this area. Those of you who will, this is essentially where you get to add all of that good stuff. Okay, generic typography, this is all pretty basic. First of all, we have an option to increase the font size on tablets or mobile devices. So if you feel that your font looks a little bit too small on mobile devices, simply drag this around to increase the font size, play around with it, and make sure that it works for you. Okay, because there is no specific font size for this area, so just based on your preference. Now, in terms of additional fonts that you can change out, we have some of the generic and most commonly used fonts throughout the website. There's text input field, there's labels, paragraph fonts, H1, H2 fonts, and so forth. So all of this is for a quick and easy access to change a certain font style. So let's say we want to change out the heading 1 font. You scroll down, find any specific font style that you want to apply to this font for the H1. Click here, it'll be selected, and then simply click on update, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and next off, for the miscellaneous area, we have several sections. The first 4 or 5 areas are related to buttons specifically. As you can see, we have buttons background color, button text color, button border color, etc. You can then also change out the font, and then here we also have an option to enable or disable the fading effect throughout the entire website. And then finally, our very last set of settings is your background, website background color. So if you want to change that, simply enable this option and select the color that you want to change it to. Other than that, this covers the entire set of the generic settings that we have within Trento. So I hope everything makes sense, and I'll see you guys around later.